If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Welcome to our artistic adventure. First, we import the Turtle module, a fantastic toolkit for drawing in Python. We also need the Random module to add some unpredictability to our art. It keeps things exciting. Setting up the drawing environment. Here, we reset the canvas. Think of it as preparing a clean, black canvas for our masterpiece.
We set the background color to black, creating a stark contrast for our vibrant brush strokes.
Now, we're setting the pen width to 5. It's like choosing a thick brush to make bold lines. Define the brush stroke drawing function. We define our color palette. These colors will dance across our canvas.
This loop will create 300 unique brush strokes. It's the heart of our painting process.
Choose a random color for each stroke. It's like dipping our brush in paint. We lift the pen up. No ink on the canvas just yet. We're finding the right starting point. Now, we place our pen at a random starting point. We rotate the pen in a random direction. It's all about spontaneity. The pen touches the canvas.
Let the stroke begin.
Each stroke consists of a series of forward and backward movements. The complexity of each stroke is also random. Creating the zigzag pattern of a single stroke. Determining the length of each segment. Drawing forward.
Making a slight random turn. Drawing backward, slightly longer or shorter.
Another slight turn to keep things interesting. Let's start the painting process. And we're done. Our program gracefully concludes, leaving us with a unique piece of art. Share your creation and inspire others. Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. For more in-depth support or engineering consultancy services, head over to eprogrammer.com. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.